If Berkshire's size is expected to be an ongoing constraint for growth, does it make more sense for the firm to target a larger collection of smaller companies that are growing faster and can do so for a longer period of time, rather than looking to bag a big elephant that is in all likelihood already reached maturity, leads the firm to sit on larger than normal cash balances for a longer period of time, even if it means paying a higher price for the growth? And if the answer is no, then what is the opportunity cost to Berkshire shareholders for keeping a lot of excess cash on hand until the right deal comes along?
Well, the answer to the first is one doesn't preclude the other. We'd be delighted to buy some company for $2 or $3 billion that we thought would do very well over time. But that applies to one for $20 or $30 billion. Now, if you get down to buying one for a couple $100 million, that may fit one of our subsidiaries to do that knows the business. But we're not passing up anything of any size that's going to have any real impact on Berkshire. And like I say, our subsidiaries made 25 tuck-ins last year, and they'll keep making more. They'll see things that fit them. But one $30 billion deal is 10 $3 billion deals and 100 $300 million deals. So in terms of the reality of how we build a lot more earning power into Berkshire, which is what we're trying to do, our main emphasis should be on bigger deals. Charlie?
Well, I agree with that. The idea of buying hundreds and hundreds of small businesses, not as bolt-ons for what we already have, it would be anathema.
Yeah, there's lots of competition for the small deals. I mean, private equity is going after all kinds of small deals. In fact, they just keep selling them to each other to some degree. And we don't feel envious when we look at what they're doing in the least. But that doesn't mean we can't find an occasional small business that fits in and that will do well. It's not going to be the future of Berkshire, though. But I want to emphasize, one does not preclude the other.